Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In this video, I will show you how to turn on auto rematch on Uber. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Rematch allows driver who just drop off at the airport to take trip if there is one available. This will impact the amount of time you wait in the queue. Although Uber appreciate that longer wait times are frustrating. Rematch has been put in place to improve the overall airport experience. It means that if you receive a trip going to the airport, you have a better chance to going back with the trip without having to wait for one in the queue. So how? If you want to enable this feature on your Uber, it's very simple, right? On my previous video, I've show you how to turn off this feature. But now what if you want to turn this on? So first of all, you can open your Uber apps. You can log in into your account. After that, you can go to the settings by tap on the bottom right here. From here, you can go to settings, tap on settings. From here, you can scroll down and choose on reserve. Tap on reserve. So here's auto rematch. Match with new drivers if you'll be late due to slow progress. You can just tap on the toggle in here. So now you have enabled this feature. You have uh, activate your auto rematch on your Uber. It's very simple, right? So that is how to turn on Uber on your account. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.